Good morning students, how are you all? Today we will start grammar portion. Okay, आज हम ग्रामर पढ़ेंगे. काफ़ी दिनों से हम लोग क्या पढ़ रहे थे? Listen stories, poems. Some change should be there, isn't it? So I have started grammar. Adjectives. I have already explained adjectives in term 1 also. Term 1 में भी आपका adjectives आ गया, ठीक है. But adjectives में what we have to study now? Degrees of comparison. First, again I am summarizing what is adjective. What is adjective? Adjectives are the words which qualifies nouns or pronouns. ऐसे शब्द जो नाउन या प्रोनाउन के को क्वालिफाई कर रहे हैं, कि विशेषता बता रहे हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव. ओके, नाउ देयर आर 3 डिग्रीज ऑफ कंपैरिजन ऑफ एडजेक्टिव्स. फर्स्ट इज पॉजिटिव डिग्री, सेकेंड इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री एंड थर्ड इज सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. I am writing certain sentences. Sita is a tall girl. Sita is taller than her sister. Sita is tallest girl. Sita is the tallest girl in the class. Okay. See here I have written 3 sentences. और इसका सबका मीनिंग अलग अलग है. Sita is a tall girl. Here only one girl. सिर्फ एक लड़की के बारे में बताया जा रहा है कि वह कैसी लड़की है. Tall. So here the word tall will be positive adjective and कौन सा उसका डिग्री है? Positive, because it is talking about one girl. And here in second sentence, Sita is taller than her sister. It is comparison between Sita and her sister. So while in comparison you have to write than, and with the word you will write are. The word is adjective word is tall. So after tall you will write ya, taller. If the word is high you will write higher. But when we compare, in comparative degree you will write the word than. After word you will, because than is your comparison. There is comparison between 2 persons, 2 things, 2 places, 2 animals. Okay. Now in third one, Sita is the tallest girl in the class. Here 2 persons are compared. When 2 persons are comparing, you will say comparative degree. When more than 2 persons, you will write superlative degree. जब 2 से ज़्यादा रहेगा तब आप superlative degree का use करोगे. And the rule is that while writing superlative degree, with the word tall you will write est, and in comparison you have written er, and after er you have written then, but here before tallest you will write the tallest, the highest, the biggest, the highest, the biggest. Okay, understood what do you mean by positive degree? Positive means single, comparative means when comparison between 2 persons, place or things. When there is more than 2 you will use superlative degree. This is explained in your book. Now certain rules are there which I have already told you, that in comparative you will write ya, and in superlative you will write est. So first you will write in grammar copy, you will explain the, I am sending you notes, please copy that notes, and from book you have to write formation of the degree of comparison. The first rule you will write in some 4 to 5 words. Means how you will write. Here there are written positive, comparative and comparative superlative. Chart is given. You have to write only three words. Examples of 3 words. Positive, comparative and superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Like this you will write second, third word. Only three words. Strong, stronger, strongest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Okay. This was the first rule. Okay. Second rule is that because here many words are given in your book. In copy you will write only 3 words. But you have to learn all the words. Okay. Now second rule is, if the adjective of the positive degree end in Y and Y has a consonant before it, the Y changes into I. E-R. Busy. This Y you will change into B-U. S-I-E-R. Busier. This is busiest. Understood? Busy, busier, busiest. In the same manner, but if the Y has a vowel before it, then Y is not changed into I. अगर vowel रहेगा तो यहाँ पे I में change नहीं होगा. In this rule also, in all the rules you will write three words. Now the next rule is, if the positive word is of 1 syllable and a single consonant at the end, the last consonant becomes double. Example is big, big, bigger, biggest. B-I-G, big. Comparative is bigger. Double लग जाएगा और इसमें E-S-T, biggest. Understood? Hot, hotter, hottest. Okay? Here many words are given: fat, sad, thin. Try to learn this. Now turn page number 26. When the adjective of the positive degree is a word of more than 2 syllables, then the word more is added. Like beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Okay, the last rule is some words which do not follow any rules. उसका कोई भी rule नहीं रहता. Like good, better, best, old, older, oldest. Okay, bad, worst, many more, most, much more, most. इसमें कोई भी rule नहीं रहता. इसका तीनों का आपका different रहेगा. So students, what is your homework? Your homework is that you have to write at least 3 words from each rules. 3 words आपको पूरा positive, comparative, superlative आपको तीनों लिखना है. In next class we will discuss the practice exercise 1, which I will write. It is not from your book. Some sentences I will give by my own. मैं अपने से आपको sentences दूंगी. अपन practice करेंगे 1-2 exercise. उसके बाद में फिर हम ये exercise easily solve कर सकेंगे. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.